Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Speak Smart. Today we are going to learn about to have verbs. The meaning of have verb is like you are showing ownership or possession of something or someone. Like इससे हम इस वर्ड से हम अधिकार शो करते हैं और ये अधिकार किसी व्यक्ति पर भी हो सकता है और किसी वस्तु पर भी हो सकता है. Here we go with the verb forms of have, had, has and having. Now let's see the types of sentences. So affirmative, negative, question form, and interrogative type of sentence we are making with the help of have verb. So first is the affirmative. The format of affirmative sentence, positive sentence, sakaratmak vakya is S plus V plus O. And here we are using verb first form, that is have, and my subject is plural subject, because with the verb first form I am only and only using plural subject. Here you can see the lots of examples. In that you can see the subject like you, they, cats, all are the plural subject. You have a car, they have a big house, cats have two kittens. Now negative sentence, so just add a not word to the verb, you haven't a car. And here also we make a use of do verb, because do is also a verb first form and have is also a verb form, so we can make a negative with the help of do verb. You don't have a car. Now question form, just replace the position of verb and subject, and after that you just add the question mark. Have you a car? आपके पास कार है? Yes, you have. No, you haven't. And here also we make a use of do verbs like do you have a car? क्या आपके पास कार है? The answer is same. Yes, you have. No, you haven't. Now here is the negative question form. Just add the not word to the my verb. So haven't you a car? Or again do verb you use here. So don't you have a car? And in interrogative type of sentence you use WH question. So in WH question you make a question in such a way that the answer is only the affirmative sentence. Who have a car? What you have. Here are the more examples. You all go through this. Now here is the next verb is had, which is verb second form, and it's a past tense verb. With a past tense verb we use all subjects singular as well as plural subject use with had. Had past tense है तो इसका मतलब था, है नहीं, है तो have आएगा, था है तो had लगाना है. जैसे कि he had a car, तो he had a car मतलब उसके पास कार थी, अभी है नहीं. अगर हम बोलेंगे कि उसके पास कार है तो हम बोलेंगे उसकी तो हम लगा ही नहीं सकते, बिकॉज ही वर्ड इज अ सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, तो हमें बोलना पड़ेगा आई हैव अ कार या यू हैव अ कार. ओके, और यहाँ पर हम हैड है तो यहाँ पर हम कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. आप ही भी लगा सकते हैं, यू भी लगा सकते हैं, वी, दे, ऑल सब्जेक्ट्स यूज हियर विथ हैड. जैसे कि ही हैड अ कार, डॉक्टर दास हैड अ क्लिनिक, बर्ड्स हैड ब्लू आईज. तो बर्ड्स जो है प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट है, डॉक्टर दास, और ही जो है वो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट है. नाउ द नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, ओनली ऐड अ वर्ब टू माय वर्ब. He hadn't a car, Dr. Das hadn't a clinic, birds hadn't blue eyes. Again, did verb is the past tense verb of do. So here we make a question, negative sentence with did verb. Like he didn't have a car, Dr. Das didn't have a clinic. Now question form. So had he a car? क्या उसके पास कार है? Question है तो answer भी होगा. Yes, he had. No, he hadn't. Or you can use did verbs. Did he have a car? Now negative question form. Hadn't he a car? Didn't he have a car? And at last WH question. Who had a car? What he had. Here you go with the had examples. Now the next verb is has verb, that is verb for fourth form, and it is nothing but verb first form with s, es, ies, and with has we only use singular subjects. So first sentence affirmative, as you know singular subject like he, she, it, can any name can also come here like Ram, Sia, cat, dog, anything. Right, so here you can go through the example like he has driving skills, उसके पास driving skills है. She has long hair, उसके लंबे बाल है. Ram has a good job, राम के पास एक अच्छा job है. So all sentences are showing the ownership with the word has. Negative sentence, he hadn't driving skills, she hasn't long hair, Ram hasn't a good job. Also here we use the does verb, which is also the word fourth form for do. He doesn't have driving skill, she doesn't have long hair, Ram doesn't have a good job. Now question form, so question form simply replace the position of subject and verb. So has he driving skills? क्या उसके पास driving skills है? Yes, he has. उसके पास है. No, he hasn't. अगर हम इतना बोले no he hasn't, so it's understood कि उसके पास नहीं है. Has she long hair? Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Has Ram a good job? क्या राम के पास good job है? तो हम बोलेंगे yes, Ram has. है राम के पास. नहीं, राम के पास नहीं है. Here we also use a does verb. So does he have driving skills? क्या उसके पास driving skills है? Does she have a long hair? क्या उसके पास लंबे बाल है? Here, negative question, hasn't he driving skill or doesn't he have driving skills? WH questions, who has driving skills? The answer is he has driving skills. What he has driving skills. Okay, so go through with this to have verb. I think you understand. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Here is the more form, the more examples with the has verb. Go through it also.